Alright, let's see how my YouTube channel is doing. Wait, it's dead. No, why don't I use my iPad instead? Ah, yes, my YouTube channel is doing really good currently. Hey Siri!
Oh no, what is in that bag?
This. Or these.
Why did you get 2 iPhone 13s?
This one's my mom's.
Wait, why is that bag blue?
Oh, I switched to AT&T because Verizon decided to give me a hard time with getting this.
Okay, don't unbox it. You are going to anyway, great?
Ooh, can I do it again? 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 That makes such a satisfying sound. My iPhone screen's a lot better than my Mac screen.
I heard that.
And my iPhone cameras are a lot better than my iPad's cameras.
I heard that as well. You know what? Our relationship is done. We will now go our separate paths.
Okay, you know where the door is.
Wow, I like the real world. I wish I was an iPhone. Oh no, I have never been here before. I guess I will open the Maps app. Oh no, I cannot get directions to the place I was born. I'm lost. And I don't have a ton of battery left. There is only one thing that I can do.
Ben?
Hey Ben, can you save me?
No.
Oh no, I am screwed.